what's up, TruExperience Nation? It's your boy, Richie McCaney. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new around here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Our mission here is simple. It's to help you learn how to experience a better life. Guys, we are doing that by going through the book right now, 30 Days to a Better You. On this page, we all about wealth, health, and experiences. And so we're on a journey, 30 Days to a Better You. And today, we got a question for you. What do you got? What do you got? What you holding on? What cards you been dealt? See, life is a lot like playing cards. You got to play what you've been dealt. You can't win by folding. You get the one hand. You got what you got. And if you fold it, you're done. You're out. Excuse me. In this scenario, folding is giving up. And we're not about that over here. We're about abundance. We're about doing more. And so I want to share specifically the story of the author Tiffany Malott from this because I thought it was powerful and simple. When she was younger, she had her mama told her that she had an ugly voice. Just, gravelly, raspy, maybe a little bit deeper. So what did she do? She tried to, as she went on through life, she tried to speak at a higher tone, higher pitch. She was told when she smiled, she showed all of her teethuses, all of her teeth, big old giant, beautiful smile. But people says, you don't have to show all your teeth when you smile. So what does she do? She adjusted. Somebody else says that when you smile, your eyes squint, they get closed, they all wrinkled up and stuff. So what does she do? She started smiling with just the bottom part, not opening her mouth up wide and things like that. So she started reading some different books, and in the books, basically in a nutshell, what she learned is that God don't make mistakes. Y'all hear what I'm saying? You're not a mistake. The features and the things that you have are not mistakes. They were given to you for a reason. You need to understand everything that you have, everything that you've gone through, everything that you've already experienced is for a purpose. You need to be able to learn how to use that and use what you've been dealt. Now she uses that ugly, gravelly, raspy voice to speak on stages all over the place and inspire and impact other people. She brightens up people's day by smiling with all of her teeth and all of its glory and just, hey, everybody, very warm and welcoming. See, she took what she had and put it to use. I need y'all to understand something. Just because something might seem ordinary, boring, and normal to you because you have it every single day, you see it every single day, doesn't mean it's not exotic and loathed after from somebody else. Each one of us has some unique features, abilities, gift, characteristics that you need to hone in, learn, adapt, use, take advantage of because you have it for a purpose, you have it for a reason, and basically you need to be able to use that to your advantage. You got it, nobody else does. That is the beauty of being authentically you. Being authentically you doesn't mean going out here trying to force yourself to be different just for the sake of being different. It's just who you are and how you show up. Embrace that with a certain sense of confidence because it attracts people to you for you. Those who are attracted to that, they want to be around you, those are your people. Those who don't, won't. You'll learn if you haven't already, and I'm sure you probably have, you can't please everyone. That's misery. Because you can't do it. And trying is a nightmare. So if you can't please everyone already, and see, I was reading a book about Kobe. Kobe Bryant's one of my, favorite basketball players, personalities, anything. Just the way he approaches life and the game and his dedication, his consistency, man, it's just very motivating to listen to. He is a student of his craft. And I was reading a book today, and in it, he kind of had this quote where he was kind of saying, when I was early on, it was all about image, 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 image. That was just my mindset when I approached the media and people around me. And I learned pretty quickly that no matter what I did, you were going to have people who liked you and people who hated you, regardless. And once I came to that realization, he said, I just started being me. I got to the point, I was direct, not in a negative way. I threw in some humor and I threw in some sarcasm, but I didn't mix my words. I didn't overtalk. what you see is what you get. And he says, I think people appreciated it, but the folks who were attracted to that, that's just who they were. They were going to like me. Now you can be comfortable and happy being you. Take advantage of the things that you've been given, the gifts that you have. And some of the things you think are shortcomings are actually gifts and inspirational to somebody else. But you don't know until you put it out there and use it. I'm a country. I talk with a country slang. I grew up in Tennessee and live in South Carolina now. And when I'm out of this area and I'm, way out west, or if I talk to somebody up north, they want to know. It's just unique. It's normal to me. Slow speech. Some people may look at it as, or think of their southern accent as being like slow or dim-witted. I don't care what other people think. I'm proud of my heritage. I'm proud of the voice and the way I sound and the way I talk. To somebody, it's unique. Some people are going to hate it and can't stand it. I don't care. That's who I am. I'll attract the right people. You need to be able to find those things for you and use it and understand what you have is for a purpose. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, you already know what it is. Show some love here on the page. Like the page. We drop a video every single day. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button because videos are coming live all the time. We do have a private community of over 20,000 people that's all about wealth and health. If you like this kind of stuff, you're going to love it over there. And so if that's something you think you want to be a part of, feel free to reach out. It's private. You can't find it. You have to be invited. And so I hope y'all have a wonderful, amazing day. As the time of recording this video is Friday, and I'm ready to get my Friday on and my weekend and probably go to the movies again. Guys, thank y'all so much. And until tomorrow, I'm out.